Goat farm with all the goats. That's right, the E702, you know.
That's 46 kilometres I've done. I normally get it 54, 60. So it's not in the reserve yet, so okay.
Yeah, okay.
I think I've taken that route before.
But the E720, I mean, that's the right route to Polemi. But yeah, we'll have a look at that. I mean, that's fantastic road coming through all the open countryside and everything, isn't it?
Good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've done that quite well. Look at say when.
I'll turn this. Is this still flashing, by the way?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. That means it's recording. I'm going to change the battery just in case because I don't want it to run out. So, just to remind you, these are the bikes that are on the journey today. Harley Davidson 72 Sportster 1200 and the Yamaha XV 1600 Wildstar. Right, we're up and running. Yeah, the goats over there. Trying to eat the fence. You seen them trying to eat the fence?
So leaving that campsite. I thought it was you. It was hitting your number plate. It was me. I had my number plate against that.
I thought you'd see here. You just touched the wall slightly as you were coming out because that little wall was there. Oh, I thought you knew it was you.
I thought it was you.
No. Oh, it's okay. It's Cliff. It's all right. Oops. I'll edit that out. What?
We shouldn't be that far to the petrol station.
No. All the solar panels, which are probably that many that would be powering the house. They normally just have two on the roof to heat the water tank, and that supplies all your hot water. Here we are, I think we're in Letymvou. This looks familiar. I've been to this village before. Letymvou it's called. Sorry about the pronunciation of the villages. I'll try and do my best to concentrate and actually look at what it is instead of my English interpretation of what I think it is. Hello. Yes, us. One of the little kids was waving at us then, so potential biker in the making. Difference in the temperature when we were up and at the campsite before and here, it's boiling here now. The sun's at the highest in the sky, I think. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Now there's a wind now, so because we're climbing, we're getting the full wind off the Troodos and everything, so it's nice and cool. this road before, not on the channel though. This road links Polemi. Well, we're driving up to Polemi. I've come back this way and then gone right to Sada and then back to Paphos. Only not on a motorbike, in a car, to be honest. Being on the 72, Billy's it's only a 2.1 or a 2.2 gallon tank. It doesn't hold much fuel at all. It's not very practical really. You can get a side bag with a fuel bottle in there, which you fill it with fuel, or you just enter in Polemi now. Or you buy a bigger tank. J&P Cycles, it's an American company. I know they sell the bigger petrol tanks, fuel tanks. That's what I'd do if I had one of those Sportsters. The first thing I'd do is buy a bigger petrol tank, especially for over here in Cyprus. And there's the junction where we go left. This is in the middle of Polemi now. And that was signposted to Sada and Paphos, the E719. So we're back on the E703. Where are you going? It's left. Billy might have thought it was straight on then. should be a petrol station. Billy's looking at getting fuel now. And as we get to the junction, I think the petrol station's, if you look left, it's just on the right. I know there's one here, this junction, very close to the junction. There it is. Petrol. Petrol. Yep.
Hey, I'll follow you.
Didn't you want to go down that side road or something, or should we just go along that way? Up through Kathikas, yeah, okay. Billy's all fueled up and back on the road, coming up to Stroumpi, and we're going to head back home now through Kathikas. Party event going on there in the village square of Stroumpi. Tables and chairs have been set out for the Easter celebrations. Church there. It's tiny, very old one.